Hello everyone. Our today's topic is intercostal space, lecture number 4. In the fourth lecture on intercostal space, I will take about the intercostal vein, and this is the last lecture on the intercostal space. Now you know that each intercostal space contains the three arteries, one posterior intercostal artery and two anterior intercostal artery. Similarly, each space contains the three intercostal vein. One is posterior intercostal vein and two anterior intercostal vein. Posterior intercostal vein is running with the posterior intercostal artery, and anterior intercostal veins are running with the anterior intercostal artery. You know that the posterior intercostal artery, it is running in the intercostal space from posterior to anteriorly. But in the space, posterior intercostal vein is running anterior to posteriorly. When the posterior intercostal vein is running in the intercostal space, at that time it passes through the intercostal groove. And in the intercostal groove, the posterior intercostal vein is accompanying with the posterior intercostal artery and the intercostal nerve. And relation that you know is the one. Vein is above, artery is below the vein, and nerve is below the artery. Now, for the posterior intercostal vein, see this figure. This is the right brachiocephalic vein. This is the left brachiocephalic vein. Right brachiocephalic vein and left brachiocephalic vein, they unite to form a superior vena cava. So this is the superior vena cava. This is the superior vena cava. So right brachiocephalic vein, left brachiocephalic vein, by union of them, the superior vena cava is formed. This is the azygos vein. So azygos vein, it starts from abdomen. From abdomen, leave the abdomen and ascend in the thorax upward, and finally it make an arch and open into the superior vena cava. This is the right side, this is the left side. Now on each side you know that there is a 11 posterior intercostal vein. So on the right side, first posterior intercostal vein, it is open into right brachiocephalic vein. So first posterior intercostal vein on the right side is open into right brachiocephalic vein. Second, third and fourth posterior intercostal vein of the right side, they unite to form a common vein. And this common vein is called right superior intercostal vein. It is called right superior intercostal vein, and right superior intercostal vein, it is open into the azygos vein. Now, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th posterior intercostal vein of the right side, they are directly open into the azygos vein. Again, on the right side, first posterior intercostal vein open into the right brachiocephalic vein. Second, third and fourth posterior intercostal vein on the right side, they unite to form a common vein, and this common vein is called right superior intercostal vein. And right superior intercostal vein open into azygos vein. Remaining vein means 5th to 11, they are directly open into the azygos vein. Now on the left side, see this is the left first posterior intercostal vein, and this first posterior intercostal vein, it is open into the left brachiocephalic vein. Second, third and fourth posterior intercostal vein of the left side, they unite to form a common vein, and this common vein is called left superior intercostal vein, and left superior intercostal vein it is open into left brachiocephalic vein. Open into the left brachiocephalic vein. Now 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. 5th to 8th posterior intercostal vein on the left side, they unite to form a common vein. And this common vein, it is called accessory hemiazygous vein. It is called accessory hemiazygous vein. And accessory hemiazygous vein, it is open into the azygous vein. 9th, 10th and 11th. 9th, 10th and 11th posterior intercostal vein of the left side, they unite to form a common vein. And this common vein, it is called hemiazygous vein. And this hemiazygous vein, it is open into azygous vein. Sorry, it is open into the azygous vein. Again, first on the left side, open into left brachiocephalic vein. Second, third and fourth unite to form left superior intercostal vein, which is open into the left brachiocephalic vein. Second, third and fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth unite to form a common vein, and this common vein is called accessory hemiazygous vein, and accessory hemiazygous vein is open into azygous vein. 9th, 10th and 11th posterior intercostal vein of the left side, they unite to form a common vein. It is called hemiazygous vein, and hemiazygous vein, it is open into the azygous vein. Now we come to anterior intercostal vein. You know that in each intercostal space, they contain the two anterior intercostal artery. And this anterior intercostal artery, they are present only in the anterior part of intercostal space. Similarly, each intercostal space contains the two anterior intercostal vein. And this vein, they are accompanying with the anterior intercostal artery. You know that anterior intercostal artery, they are running in the space from medial to lateral side. But anterior intercostal vein in the space, it is running from lateral to medial side. Anterior intercostal artery of upper six spaces. Anterior intercostal artery of upper six spaces are the branches of the internal thoracic artery, are the branches of internal thoracic artery. Similarly, anterior intercostal vein of upper six spaces, anterior intercostal vein of upper six spaces, they are open into the internal thoracic vein. They are open into the internal thoracic vein. Anterior intercostal artery of the 7th, 8th and 9th spaces. 7th, 8th and 9th spaces, they are the branches of musculophrenic artery. So anterior intercostal vein of 7th, 8th and 9th spaces, they are open into musculophrenic vein. 10th and 11th intercostal space having no anterior intercostal artery. Similarly, anterior intercostal vein in the 10th and 11th spaces, they are absent. Again, upper anterior intercostal vein of upper six spaces, they are open into the internal thoracic vein. Anterior intercostal vein of 7th, 8th and 9th spaces, they are open into musculophrenic vein, and anterior intercostal vein in the 10th and 11th spaces are absent. Today's topic over. Next topic I will take about the pleura.